The next point of the concentration shell corrosion is the examples of concentration shell corrosion. Today I will teach to you the 3 examples of the concentration shell corrosions. First is the pitting corrosion. Pitting corrosion means whenever the cavity or gap is produced on the surface of metals. For example, if you kept the iron metal in the atmosphere, some dust particle or some sand particle or some impurities is settled on the surface of metal. That area produces a cavity on the surface of iron metals. Due to the formation of the cavity or pit or hole on the surface of metals, the atmospheric oxygen is enter in this pit and differential aeration is produced here. It means that whole metal surface, this is the metal strip, iron metal, this whole metal are in contact with excess of oxygen, and only this pit is formed due to the collection of or accumulation of dust or sand particles on the surface of metal. Less amount of oxygen is entered through this hole or pits. It means that concentration of oxygen less here. You know the principle of concentration of shell corrosion. Where is the concentration of gas is less? There acts as anode, and the area which is contact with the excess of oxygen, there acts as a cathode. Here only these pits acts as an anode and the whole metal surface acts as a cathode. Because this whole metal surface are in contact with atmospheric excess oxygens, only this hole produced due to the impurity dust or sand, it forms holes. Less quantity of oxygen enters through the holes and contact with the iron. Then iron lose the electron, Fe lose the electron to form a ferrous ion. These loose electrons transfer to the iron metal toward the cathode, that is the large surface area, and these Fe ion produced at the anode. It is the oxidation takes place at the pit. This is the oxidation reactions, and corrosion is occur. Corrosion is produced on this pit area due to the less concentration of oxygen. Such corrosion is called as the pit corrosion. I understand. Second example is the waterline corrosion. This is the general corrosion occur in the ship or water pipeline. Why? Because in the ship or in a water pipeline, some parts are completely under the water and some part of iron pipe is in contact with the atmospheric air oxygens. Here also differential aeration there. Which differential aeration? Oxygen differentiation. What is the difference here? The part of iron pipe or tank under the water line, they are contact with the less oxygen part, and the part which is not contact with the water, they are contact with the excess of oxygen. Therefore, concentration of oxygen not same. It means that in other words, the part below the water acts as an anode due to the less concentration of oxygen, and the part which is not under the water, they are contact with the excess of oxygen, they acts as the cathodes. It means that due to the less concentration of oxygen under the water, the pipeline's corrosion takes place fastly as compared to the part which is not contact with the waters. Such corrosion called as the waterline corrosion. It is also examples of concentration shell corrosion. I understand. Next, third example is the crevice corrosion. Such type of corrosion is only observed whenever the two metals are joined, reactive and non-reactive metal, less reactive, more reactive metal joined together. There is a gap is produced, cavity is produced in between the two metals. This is the one condition. Second condition, when crack is produced, the some metal sheet, there is also crevice is produced, or metal and non-metals are joined together in some equipments. There is the chances of formation of the crevice. In the crevice area, in the metal's surface, oxygens are enters that enter oxygen percentage is less, concentration is less. Therefore, this crevice area acts as a anode. And corrosion takes place on the crevice area. The rate of corrosion is fast in the crevice area as compared to the other metal surface. For the prevention of crevice corrosion, fill up the gap, fill up the crevice area with the help of alloys or non-corroded metals. You understand? This is the 3 examples of concentration of cell corrosions. Thank you.